By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to create a website or a landing page using Claude Code, and your mind is gonna be blown by how easy this is gonna be. Let's just not waste time, let's just do it. Okay, let me give you some background information. I teach on AI, and I did a workshop in North Virginia a few weeks ago about AI for realtors. It went extremely well, and what I wanna do now is I wanna make a landing page with information about that workshop so that I could pitch it to other realtors associations. So that's the background information, that's what we're gonna be building here. But I don't wanna do it the regular way that's gonna take hours, if not days, to make it happen. I'm gonna let the machines do their thing and be done in a few minutes. So let's go. So the first thing I did is I just created a folder on my computer, and you can see here I put a few things in that folder. I have an images folder, I'll show you those in a little bit. I have a testimonial from the person that organized the workshop. I have basically an outline of the presentation that I did, the actual workshop, and then I have the slide deck. Now the reason I'm putting all of this in the folder is I don't even want to think about what I need to say. I want Claude Code to look into all my stuff and figure it out, and we're gonna see if it works. The other thing I want you to see here is I have some images from the event that I put in this images folder, and I'll let Claude Code know that. I have the picture of the person that left the testimonial. I have my logo and I have a picture of me because I want people to see who I am. And I think this pic looks pretty good. That's it. That's all the work I want to personally do. Just put all of the stuff in there so that Claude Code can do all the stuff it needs to do. So let's hop over to Claude Code. Now we're in Claude Code, and I'm just using the Claude app. When you're in the Claude app, let me put this out here. When you're in the Claude app, you can either do chat, co-work, or code. Today we're gonna be using Claude Code. I'm gonna hide this there so that we can have more space. And then I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna say, I want it to be local. So make sure it's local because it's on my computer, all of the files that I put together. And I'm gonna select the folder, which I'm gonna come here, open folder, go to apps and realtor AI. That is the folder where I put all of those assets. And then I'm gonna speak to Claude and tell Claude what I want. One thing to know, of course, you can type and tell Claude what you want, just give it a prompt. But I find a much faster ways to talk to it. I use a service called Whisperflow, and it allows me to talk, and I can talk much quicker than I can type. I highly recommend Whisperflow if you want to check them out. I'll leave my affiliate link down below. If you use that link, I get a commission and I get to feed my kids. That's a good thing to support. So what you're gonna see right now is me talking to Claude, and then the text is just gonna show up on the screen. And I'm just gonna speak the way that I normally speak. I need your help in creating a website for me. Inside this folder, you will see a number of things. You will see a testimonial that was left by Cara McDonald. You will see the logo for my brand, a picture of me, and then you see an outline and slide decks for a workshop that I did. As you can see, it's filling in the information that I said, but I got more than I need to say. You will also see a folder with images from an event that I did. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to check out the outline and the slide deck to get an information of what I taught at this workshop. It's a workshop that's about AI for realtors, and it went extremely well. My goal is I want to be able to pitch this workshop to other realtors associations. Bam, it has all of the information there now. I want it to be a one-page landing page that I could send out that is very compelling. So make sure to make it make sense and make it compelling for realtors associations so that they would want me to come and speak to their realtors. Now you can see I'm not being super technical or anything of that sort. I'm just telling it what I want. Oh, one more thing I want to tell it. For the colors and look and feel, just check out the logo. You see the colors of my logo and try to do something that matches the branding. Bam, that's all I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna press enter. And what it's gonna do now is it's gonna start to check out what's inside the folders. It's gonna do a whole bunch of stuff, and it's gonna build my website. Just like that. Look, you can see it's exploring the folder structure, trying to understand everything. Now, this is gonna take a few minutes, and you'll see that that's pretty much all the work I gotta do. Right now, it's looking at photos, it's checking it out, it's checking out the slide deck, it's grabbing everything from the event. Man, I'm just doing all the work, and I'm just chilling. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it right now, and we're gonna come back and see what it does.
A few moments later.
Yo, you're not gonna believe this. Let me show you something. Let me show you this. Okay, so it took about 3 minutes and it built everything. It's giving me an explanation of what it's done here so far, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the landing page. Look at this. Your agents are working hard. It's time they work smart. A hands-on AI workshop that gives every realtor in the room a real working system before they leave the... Yo. Oh my goodness. It talks about the things that the agents are struggling with. It has the 3 systems that I do in the workshop. It has the pictures there. Oh my goodness, the testimonial. It looks amazing. It has about me. Wait, let me see what it made up about me because I didn't even give it this information. Leslie Samuel is a dynamic speaker, educator, and AI strategist who makes technology feel approachable, practical, and exciting, even for people who've never touched AI before. Okay. He doesn't just talk about what's possible. He builds it with your agents, live in the room, walking them step by step through reels. Okay, let me tell you something right here, right? This is amazing because I didn't give it any of this information, but it checked out the files that I gave, the slide deck. It figured out what it's all about, and it just did all the work. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. Now, I want to point out something. There are some things that you may not like about this. Like, for example, I see my logo up here, but it's hard to see because the logo is blue. It's on a blue background. How do I make these changes? Well, I do it in a very simple way. I'm going to go back to Claude Code and I'm going to say, this looks amazing. One thing I need you to change is at the top, there's a bar at the top with the logo. The logo, the text of the logo is blue, but the background is also blue, so it doesn't look right. Can you make that look better? And let me check to see if there's anything else that I would change. Let's see. Oh, I don't like how there's 3 here and then 1 at the bottom. So I'm gonna say, and in the section on what your agents will build, there are 3 at the top and then 1 at the bottom, and that just doesn't look right. Can you make that look a little better so that there's not like a bunch of white space? I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna click enter, press enter, and wait for it to make those changes. That's probably gonna take less than a minute because they're pretty minor changes, and then we go from there. All right, so it's making those changes, and you can see it even pops up here to the side as it's editing it. And now it's telling me both are fixed, so I'm gonna go back to the page and I'm gonna refresh it, and look at that. So it made it 2 here and 2 there, and at the top it changed the bar to white, and we are good to go. Listen, this is as easy as it gets. And now I have a website that's ready to go. Now, it's not online as yet, so you gotta figure out how do we put it on the internet, and that's what I'm gonna show you right now. The service I use for this is Netlify.com. Of course, I leave a link to that in the description. But once you sign up for Netlify, you can see here, it says I can upload my project files right here or just drag and drop. So I'm gonna come here and I am going to take this entire folder and just drag it. And you can see now it is uploading, and that's gonna take a few seconds. It's telling me don't refresh, and bam, it's there, it's ready to go. And now if I click on here, this is just so easy. If I click on here, it's gonna open up and my website is live on the internet. Now, you can see here, the URL is genuine-frangipane and all this kind of stuff .netlify.app. If you wanna change that, you can come in here, go into quick setup, you can update the name, and I can call this AI for Realtors, and it says that's available. I can update the project name, so it's gonna be at aiforrealtors.netlify.app or something along those lines. But if I want, I can add a domain that I own. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna say realtorai.iamlesliesamuel.com. And then I'm gonna click on verify, and it's gonna give me the information here that I need in order to connect my domain to it. I'm not gonna go through that process right now. It's a pretty straightforward process, and they have tutorials to show you how to do that. But yeah, this is the website. It looks great. And any changes I want, I can just go into Claude Code and tell it to make those changes, and I am good to go. No more setting up WordPress and you know, using a theme and dragging and dropping and trying to figure out what you need to do and how you need to do it. You can just have Claude Code do it for you. My name is Leslie Samuel. If you found this valuable, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, do all the things, but make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be doing a lot more tutorials showing you how to build websites, build apps, and do all kinds of amazing things using Claude Code and other amazing AI tools. My name is Leslie Samuel. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.